With this key, we leave you the spirit of responsibility, reliability, and trustworthiness. To be responsible is to use due judgment in taking the action called for by the situation. Make the virtue of responsibility reign in everyone's heart, and let this be a commitment on the part of the students.
On behalf of the juniors, I accept this key, which symbolizes responsibility. We will exercise this virtue to the utmost, to become reliable, trustworthy, and responsive to the needs of others. Upon our shoulders, we accept this responsibility with commitment and determination.
Service be your guiding light, illuminating the path toward acts of kindness and compassion. This enchanted flame represents the power of love and empathy, igniting within you the passion for making a difference in this world. May its warm glow fill you with the courage to be a hero to those in need, spreading joy and hope wherever you go.
Apang kay kusog sa bad. Abaw. Okay na na.
I bequeath to you this torch, a symbol of academic excellence. May this guide you to strive for excellence in your educational pursuit. Continue to aspire for higher scholastic achievement. Keep the fire burning.
On behalf of the juniors, I accept this torch with great confidence that we will exert persistent effort to be free from the darkness of ignorance.
Thank you so much, Jeremy Arejo and Crystal Gabriel A.H.1.
I bequeath to you this book, which symbolizes knowledge methodologies. To gain knowledge means to undergo some painstaking exercises of reading books, writing notes, and reports. So you must exercise patience and industry to learn and gain wisdom.
On behalf of the juniors, I wholeheartedly accept this book, which symbolizes knowledge and diligence. Certainly, this will inspire us to carry on our quest for knowledge and wisdom with earnest desire and great courage.
Thank you so much, Janelle Lanias and Juliana Rose Durante, our role model.
This Bible, which symbolizes faith, exercise a firm belief in God without limits and with a strong conviction. Always remember to start and end your action with a prayer, as everything is under God's control.
On behalf of the juniors, I accept this Bible, a symbol of our faith in God. We will seek divine guidance and intervention to our daily endeavors. We will implore His protection to deliver us from all evil that inflict the society and the whole world.
Thank you so much for loving us and abiding in determination and steadfastness. This enchanted symbol reminds you of the promises you've made and empowers you to stand by those you love and cherish. Let it be a beacon of your loyalty and commitment, guiding you towards a life of unwavering dedication to your friends, family, and loved ones.
I bequeath to you this logo, a symbol of loyalty. Keep this logo as an inspiration to remain loyal and faithful to our alma mater, to Bicol West National High School, and her virtues and ideals. On behalf of the juniors, I accept this logo as a symbol of loyalty to our alma mater. It is a task to protect her from all enemies. Whatever happens, to Bicol West National High School will remain strong and firm as a holistic molder of young youth.
Thank you so much, Sir Reggie, Sora, and Andrea, hold a moral character, guiding toward a life of righteousness and honor. Let the self-rule be your guide as you journey towards your true self, spreading love and kindness along the way.
I bequeath to you this love, which symbolizes peace. Peace is a concept of societal friendship and harmony. May this serve as a binding force to uphold peace and order in our school. On behalf of the juniors, I accept this dove, a symbol of peace with full responsibility and gratitude. This serves as a reminder of the enormous task given to us to uphold peace and order from all animosities.
Thank you so much, Miss of Integrity and Honesty. This dove honors your character and encourages you to always stay true to yourself. Let this dove remind you to act with integrity and be true to your values, even in the face of integrity. Thank you so much.